Dear learner, welcome in our science class of 5th standard. Learner, in previous video we had learnt about the germination of seed, and the germination of seeds require proper rooting of seeds in the soil, which result in the growth of new plants. Now question arises, how are these seeds fixed in the soil? Do they always get rooted near their parent plant or sometime at the distant places as well? Seeds can be dispersed at nearby or at distant places as well. It is all thanks to the process of the seed dispersal. So, today we will learn about the process of the dispersal of seed. Dispersal means just scattering of the seed, or we can say that the transferring of seed from one place to the another through the various agent. So the process of transfer of seed from one place to the another through the various agent is known as the seed dispersal. And who are these agents? Seeds are transferred to the various places by some factor such as the wind, water, bird, humans, animals, etc. And these agents make this process easier. Let us now discuss about this process in detail. Our first agent is the wind, and the seeds that are very light carried to the new places by the wind. Here you see the picture of madar seed, and the seed of the madar have hairy growth which act like a little parachute and carry the seed away from the parent plant. And the seed of the cotton plant, drumstick, dandelion, and the fruit of the sunflower are also carried by the wind. Now, next type of the dispersal by the water. Dispersal of the seed by water. The plants which are near the water bodies like sea, river and the lake disperse the seed through the water, and the water which and the fruit which float such as the seeds of the lotus, water lily and the coconut are carried up by the water. Student, you know that coconut can travel the thousands of kilometers across the ocean. So this is the dispersal of seed by the water. Now tell me, what do we do after eating the juicy fruit? We generally throw away the seeds. So the some plants have the juicy fruit that are eaten by the humans and animals, and they eat only the fleshy part or the juicy part of the seed and of the fruit, and their seed get thrown away. So the seeds of the watermelon, papaya and the mango, pumpkin are dispersed by this method. And many plants like the castor, burdock, cocklebur have the thorny fruits or the hooks on them, and they get stuck to the cloth of the humans or the skin of the fur of the animal and get carried to the different places. Here you can see the picture of the cocklebur seeds, and that have the thorn hooks on them, and that get stuck to the cloth of the humans or the skin of the fur animals and carried to the different places where they grow into the new plant. And next type of dispersal of seed, that is the dispersal by the birds, insect and the rodents. Sparrow, ant, rat, squirrel, etc. carry the fruit and the grains to their burrows or the other places, and they drop some seed on their way, and these can grow into the new plant. And last type of dispersal, that is through the cracking or the bursting of the seed. And such method is also known as the explosion of the seeds. You know that some plant like the pea and the beans have the pores, and the seeds the seeds of the beans and the pea are formed in the pod, and when the seeds are ripe, the pods has dried, and the pods burst open and their seed get scattered to the other places. So these are the various agents through the which the seed get dispersed from one place to the another. Now, can you tell me why do we need this uh, process of the dispersal of seed? I mean, what will happen if the seeds from parents plant get planted near it? This is this is because if the seeds are not scattered, a large number of germinated seedling can grow very close to the parent plant, and this will result in the competition between the all such seedling as well as the parent plant. And there is a competition or struggle for getting the light, space, water, nutrient, and many of them would die. So, the seed dispersal is also important for the growth of the plant. Now, student, you are familiar with the process of the seed dispersal. This is all about today. Thank you.